Please welcome to the stage, composer and producer of Moana, Lin-Manuel Miranda, and director of Moana, Thomas Kale.
Hello!
There's nothing like coming off of that energy and then seeing these two idiots stand up here in front of you. What an absolute thrill to be here. I think it's safe to say that the Hollywood Bowl is the one thing that everybody in Los Angeles can agree is 100% approval rating. And what a glorious place to all gather together under the stars to see this with my old pal. Tell me your last name again.
It's Miranda, thank you.
Got it. So Lynn and I met in May of 2002, and shortly thereafter, we started sitting around in little black box theaters on 40th Street. And I can safely say to you that of all the things we imagine, I don't know that I could ever imagine anything just momentous, he said, and to do it with my pal and to be with all of you. So what an honor, and I'm so proud to be a part of this and to introduce your friend and mine, Lin Miranda.
Hello, Hollywood! We represent many villages of people that it took to make this movie, and it's been a labor of love for the past few years. And I want to thank some folks, but first of all, I represent the songwriting team. These songs don't exist without the incredible Mark Mancina and Opataya Hawaii. We met in New Zealand. Woo! I see you! We met in New Zealand, we hit it off right away, and what you see is the product of our work together. I want to thank the execs who make this possible: Josh Damaro, Dana Walden, Alan Bergman, Assad Ayaz, David Greenbaum, Darius Sirsek, Martha Morrison, Jess Virtue, and I want to give a special shout out to Tom McDougall, who hired me in 2014. Thank you.
Let me see if I can do it. I work for some of these people. So in the final crawl of this film, there were 2,944 names. That's how many people, not quite as many as are out here, but that's how many people worked on this film. That's how many people, I'm imagining. Check. So I just want to say the acknowledgement of these few names. This represents so many people all across this country and 4 continents that worked on the film. So our producers, DJ of course, Alihi, Bo, Scott, Charles, JW, and this guy. Our intrepid cast, Raina Owen, John Tui, Frankie Adams, Catherine Lagaaya, and introducing Dwayne Johnson. I can't wait for you guys to
You're gonna hear big things from that guy in the future.
I mean, the smile is real, and so is the wig. So, check.
I think they're just turning you off, Tommy.
Anyway, thanks, enjoy. So we want to get out of the way and have one more introduction here. There's no better way to commence this particular part of the celebration than to introduce one of our dear collaborators, Tiana, and the wonderful Kayla, and this marvelous group of dancers. Please enjoy the film.
Enjoy the show and enjoy the movie.
Talo Polava family. My name is Tiana Donosina Liufau, and together with Kela Fa'amalingi, we are the choreographers of the world of Moana. We're also members of the Cultural Trust, and I'm proud to say that I'm one of your associate producers. Fa'apatai Telelava, beyond the film, Moana, my ancestors, my people, we are the Moana. From all over the Pacific, tonight, under the sky, we celebrate in this va, in this time and space together. What you just seen was a little bit of our village. That's how we roll. You call one, we all come. That's my people right there. These dancers on stage, I'm proud and humble to say, these are your villagers from the film. Give them a round of applause. Family, that's a little bit of Motunui. But now, for our ending portion of our time together, I'm gonna take you to the heart of Polynesia, to the island of Samoa.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor for me to introduce to you the chiefess of Motunui. Please help me welcome the beautiful Catherine Grace to full Moana. She hails from the beautiful villages of the Moana, Tuai, and Ka'alau, Kalaui, and Savai. She is being escorted by none other, the one that you know as Dwayne Johnson, or even The Rock. But in 2004, he was bestowed the title of Seuli. So please help me welcome the Afionga Yaseuli, who hails from the village of Whalealili, Aleifata, in Samoa. Shauia! All right, family. Woo! Yahoo! Thank you, Nona Sia dancers. here in Hollywood, every once in a while, I feel like, first of all, we're lucky to do what we do, and we're grateful to do what we do, but I also feel like every once in a while in Hollywood, we make a film that is more than a film. It's more than a movie, and I think you could feel it already tonight with our culture and with what we have represented, but also not only our Polynesian culture, and you see the love and the passion and the mana here tonight under the stars, but it's also a shared culture around the world. So I'm so happy and grateful that all of you are here tonight. I've invited so many of you. Thank you so much for coming tonight, by the way. It means so much. I'm so happy that you guys are able to share this film for the first time ever. We're showing the film. So excited for you to see the movie. And it is my great honor, ladies and gentlemen, to introduce the LA Philharmonic and conductor, Sarah Hicks. Chee-hoo!